Hi guys, if you have just purchased an ONN universal remote and you want to connect it to your TV, this guide is going to help you. So you are going to learn the exact setup steps and the working codes. So first of all, you need to power on your TV manually before starting. Your remote won't detect the device if it is off. After doing so, you just have to simply press and hold the setup button on your ONN remote until the LED stays on. Then simply press the TV button on the remote. Now the LED will blink and it will stay lit. This means that it is already ready for the code entry. So in order to basically enter the code, you can try some of these most commonly used codes. So these are 1005, 1007, we have 1037, 1085, 1096. So you can try these, and if one code doesn't work, you can just simply move to the next and you can keep on trying until it connects. Now you need to press the power button, and if your TV turns off, it means that the code is correct. If not, you can just simply repeat the process with another code. So these steps are going to help you connect your ONN remote to almost any TV quickly. So you can try these and let me know if that works. Thank you.